Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Yeston GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Sakura 16GB graphics card. So friend, the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 16GB which retails for $529 and friend, it plans to on changing this by offering a more affordable NVIDIA Sakura offering in the form of GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 16GB which is listed for $529. This is the 80 US premium versus the newly set reference price of $449 for the 16GB model, which might be quite steep. Gamers which wanted a cheaper Sakura graphics card now have the option available to them. And friend, this graphics card comes in a 2.5 slot design with the triple fan Sakura cooling system, and the card features an aluminum fin heatsink with 6mm heat pipes and also comes with dual RGB modes. The card is powered by a single 8-pin connector and uses a custom PCB design. There is a small factory overclock of 60 MHz which boosts things up to 2595 MHz clock speed, while the rest of the specification remain the same. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.